Hello fellow DIYers, just a quick message here for Christmas. I'm setting up this giant Christmas tree here at our house in Costa Rica. Hard to get into the Christmas spirit, so we thought we better do some decorating when the temperatures between 25 and 30 degrees all the time here, or like 80 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not really feeling like Christmas, so we thought we better get some decorations done. So we got this giant tree. Well, actually no, it's not that big a tree. But I noticed a problem when I pulled it out of the box here. I got a broken wire that I got to see if I can fix. So stay tuned and we'll see if we can't get that fixed. All right, so here's what I found. Here's the lights, the mini lights that go on this tree. And like I said, pulled it out of the box and look what I found. Broken wire. So this just comes off the 120 volt plug into the electronic circuitry that runs those lights. I got to take this apart, find out if I can figure out where that wire came from. Okay, with only 2 screws holding that back on, I looked and I found out the wire must have came from right here, because I see a solder spot and I also see some tinning on the wire already. So I think if I just heat up my soldering iron, touch that back on, I think we got a winner. Hang on, let's give that a try. Okay, so I got my soldering iron nice and hot, and I'm just going to set that wire back down on the solder spot. Looks like I got a winner. I think we're back in business. Let's check it out. Okay, here's my plug. Plug it into the outlet here in the kitchen. See if those lights were working. Ah, yeah, we got a winner. Let's decorate that tree and get into the Christmas spirit here. Okay, the tree is lit. The repair is done. Thanks everybody for a great year in 2024. And from myself, Terry Peterman, the internet electrician, and my wife, Sandy, we want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and all the best in the new year, 2025.